This is the car that we're going to test the Bluefin on, a VW Passat 2-litre TDi 140.
The Volkswagen Passat 2-litre TDi 140 isn't a bad car in standard form, but it's just that with the help of Superchips Bluefin, it can be made a lot better. And here's how.
For the purposes of this video, we're going to subject this Passat to a before and after dyno test to demonstrate exactly how effective the Superchips Bluefin is. This is the first dyno test to establish a baseline performance figure, and as you can see from the power curve, this Passat recorded 153 horsepower, slightly above VW's claims. And now we can start to install the Superchips Bluefin.
The first step with installing the Superchips Bluefin is to locate your vehicle's onboard diagnostics port. This can be located here under the steering column, or as on this car, by the A pillar. But you may need to refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the precise location of the port. The next stage when installing Bluefin is to plug the Bluefin data lead into your vehicle's onboard diagnostics port. This should locate firmly but shouldn't be forced. Like that. With the Bluefin data lead plugged into the vehicle's onboard diagnostics port, the next stage in Bluefin installation is to look at the on-screen instructions. In this case it's saying check ignition off and then press Y. Now it's asking me to put the ignition on and then press Y. The Bluefin installation progress is shown here in this LCD bar. And here we are. In just a couple of minutes the Bluefin is telling me that it's installed, and what it's asking me to do now is turn the ignition off again and unplug the handset. Now that we've finished programming, the car's original ECU map is stored on the handset. This means that you can revert back to standard at any time.
This is the second dyno test to see exactly how much power we gained with the Superchips Bluefin. And as you can see from the graphs, we gained a sensational 44 horsepower and 88 Newton meters of torque. So how does the car drive now?
So what difference has the Superchips Remap made? Well, the car picks up noticeably quicker. It's so much more responsive. It just really hauls along. The revs very, very hard. All that to 5,000. It makes this somewhat staid Passat into quite a pacey saloon now. Really tugs along. Pulls very enthusiastically, but even in high gears, it's much more responsive. 1500 RPM in 6, it's pulling hard. No problem at all. Very smooth, much more eager. I can say the Superchips Bluefin install has actually transformed this drive for the better. Think of what it can do to your car.